Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. All right, let's begin. If you want to customize the clock app on your iPhone, start by locating the clock app on your home screen. If you open it, the clock will open up. Now, instead of opening it, press and hold the icon until the quick menu appears. If available, tap the larger icon option to switch the clock to a bigger style that displays the current digital time instead of the standard analog clock. If you prefer the original look, press and hold the clock app again and select the smaller icon option to restore it. You can also customize the clock using widgets. Press and hold anywhere on the home screen, then tap Edit followed by Add Widget. Scroll down and select Clock. Swipe through the available widget styles and choose the one you like, including digital clocks, world clocks, and other layouts. Tap Add Widget, then drag it anywhere on your home screen to place it where you want. If you decide to remove it later, simply press and hold the widget and tap Remove Widget. You can always add a different clock widget or switch back to the standard app icon whenever you like. So that's basically how you can change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. That's it for this video. Thanks!